So this is the code, and it works with FFMPEG on Python, this program. And we want to cut in this video here some things, so to blur some things, and that is working with that program. So if we started here, we can now select first video, then we can say what we want to do. We can make left, middle, right, half left, half right, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, and grid 1, 2, 3, 4, and top, center, bottom, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all. So let's say we want to make all, so we type here like here written A, and then a comma, so that it knows the A was selected, and then for the seconds 1, 2, up until 3. And now he has listed here the first task is to blur for second 1 to 3. And let's make also then the middle, so with M, the middle would be that from 3 until the 5. And let's type something wrong. And now we can erase it with E3. E3, and now it's gone. If it would be something wrong, probably if we start now with S, it just doesn't work. So let's erase it so that it can work again. And let's make something else. Let's make here the 5, it would be the center from second 6 until 8. And now we start with S, and now it's running. We need the first 9 seconds, but we can look short in the code. So it needs then also to import OS and the system and CV2, and now it's every MP4 and then every MP4, so we can make another thing here. When the video is selected, everything with MP4 is selected, the one you have selected. When it looks for the height, so it needs therefore the CV2 to know how big the video is, so that it can then calculate it on what would be the quarter if the video has different dimensions. And when it goes in and gets all the tasks, these are the things which are typed in, and they have written it all down at the beginning, all the erase behind it, and then that all what someone can type. And now someone can erase, and then is erased the one which was selected with a number. And further down here, where when the task started with start, and there's taken in all the numbers. So if someone has taken an M, the middle, then it's taken the total width of a video divided by 3, and the height of the box is then divided by 1, and so on. And it's just all calculated out. So let's take here. The 5 is the one which we had selected. Width of a video divided by 3. We want 1 to 3, 1 to 3. It's 16 to 9, but it gives then a grid of 9. And the vertical box is then on the vertical side, so a third in and a third down. And here similar, a third down times 2, so that we have then the 6th grid down here. Now let's look here. We have enough. We don't have to export to the end. And now we could just do it again. The old task is standing there still, so we can add now a new thing and so on. And now we have here next to it the new video. There is a little bit of quality loss every time something is converted. So by that converting also the part where there's no blurring said, a tiny bit is lost in quality. Now we have here the right side is a bit gone. There the face is blurred. There the face is blurred. We selected it at one time. And there the 5, the grid 5 is there blurred. And that was all what we did. So we just hit here down left the corner is a little bit to see, and here's a little bit to see. Then now the face is gone, and that was it. Now that is what we did. Width is now strength 10. Down here in the code there can be made 20, 30, 40, 50, which is way stronger. Let's take for one moment 50. And if you take now 50, we have to restart it. Then it will be much stronger. So let's make here all in the video, all from 0 to 3. If it's in minutes, and so you have to calculate it out. Maybe with a point behind, I don't know, with a 3.5 it would be half a second, but it has to be then always in seconds. So all from 0 to 3, let's do it. And he's converting. And let's take a look into it. And now it's very much strong. So I had just at the beginning at 10. Now where there's a 50, there's almost everything gone. So until second 3, there it is again. So 10 could be a little, 50 is quite strong. That is the whole code, and that is the program.